Today, I'll show two powerful apps, which you can download for absolutely free. You need to download free images of free files on first app, and you can re-upload them on second app, and you'll make money. The even more images you re-upload, the more money you will make with no creativity, no website, no affiliate marketing, no selling, no referrals, no social media discipline. A simple approach that any person can do in 10 minutes a day, but if you want to make even more money, you need to spend more time with it, and you can earn up to $300 in a single day at the comfort of your own home on your smartphone or computer. Also, both of these apps are available worldwide, and they pay out in different payment options. So, stay tuned until the end. But before that, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell, hit the like button, and share it with others. Now, let's get into the video. So, the first app is Upload, and it's free. You don't have to pay any money to get started. From this free app, you can repeatedly make money every day from throughout the world. They are super transparent to show you all the testimonials and hundreds of real payment proof. But this is only the first app. You'll need to utilize one more app to make these methods. So ensure to watch the full video to know how it works and what to do. Generally, you can make money on this website by uploading 3,000 images. When you upload something on this website, and whenever another person downloads them for free, you can earn up to $7 repeatedly on complete autopilot even if you're sleeping, traveling, or you're not doing this at all. I will show you where to find free files or images to download and upload them using your phone or your computer. First of all, to sign up for free on this website, click on the sign up button, and then you will come to this page. As you can see, user registration, put in your username, email, password, and payment information. They pay you in many different methods, like PayPal Money, Payer, Web Money, Bitcoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Now, comment below on which payment options you prefer in your country. Once you're done with filling all your information, click on I'm not a robot and click on this green register button. Now, I want to show you a real-life example inside my account of how to do this step by step to start making money. So, make sure to keep watching. When I log into my account, when I click on File Upload, you can do this on your computer, mobile phone, or any other device, as long as you have an internet connection. When you go on to upload files, you can start uploading something on this website, and whenever people download your file, you will make money. Now, I'll show you where to find free files to upload, and you can profit a lot of cash on this website. Now, the second app is Pixabay, and the logo looks like this. Make sure you download the right app. This app is free, and you can get many copyright-free and royalty-free images, which are all high quality. All images and footage on Pixabay are released under Creative Commons, implying this is free for commercial use. You can upload these to the first app, which I showed you previously, or use for any purpose you want. No attribution is required. Now, I'll show you a step-by-step demo on how to do this, how to download, how to re-upload, how to start making money. As you can see, I've uploaded one demo image, and I've shown you how to do it. So first of all, we can come to Pixabay.com. You can see stunning free photos and royalty-free stock. They have over 1.7 million high-quality images and videos to download for absolutely free. You can find different images. For example, I type in nature and then press the search button. You'll instantly find all the free images to download. When I click on any one of these images, like these red flowers, I can click on this free download button and choose the image's resolution. The first tip is to make sure to download a high-quality image, at least 1280p, so that people will want to download them to make money. Does that make sense to you? Now I'll select this one. 587 kilobytes is a small file, and you can download as much as you want. Once I select this one, I'll click on download. You can see it here. Once I downloaded the images, I can upload those on this website. But before I show you how to upload, I want to show you another example, another image, and you can do the same thing for it. So, click on the free download button, select this, and click the download button. Now, I'll return to the first website. I showed you how to upload them. When you click this upload file, we can see file upload, and you can click on this link or this image here. You can see 3 images, which I can upload on this website. For example, I'll show you when I click on this mountain, the second image, open it. After that, this email is here, and I can add more files. For example, I want to upload another email. Once you've uploaded everything, you'll click this blue button to start uploading, and it's pretty fast because these images are very small and file size 85 kilobytes and 82 kilobytes. So it's a very small file, and you can do it hundreds and thousands of times a day. The more files and images you upload, the more money you will make, and there are many high-quality images. Once I finished uploading the file, they will give me 2 links, and whenever people click on this link to download the file, I'll make money. The best thing about this website is that you don't need to sell or market anything or promote the link, because this website will promote those images for you automatically and getting people to download them. If you don't like waiting, it is always highly recommended to promote it on Facebook or forums to boost your income. Once I finished the uploading process, I can click on my files and it will show my recent uploaded images. I can set whatever price I want to sell, and whenever people download them using my link on this website, I'll make money. So this is a big opportunity for you. If you only have a mobile phone, go over to this website, and apps are 100% free to use. With a few clicks and a few minutes a day, you can set up several passive income streams that run for you on complete autopilot. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoy our content, subscribe with notification on, like it, and comment below on how much money you earn using this strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.